Hey Gracie, me really run out for you a minute then, no? Yeah man. Listen, all these problems we realize they have trauma. Vegas, go get help. Go get help.
Mash mouth did I pay people to play my song. Only have a couple platinum plaque.
Romeich, you me did attack.
Me nah stop trying until me get that flying. Me nah stop trying. She want peace satisfying.
Welcome to Lion TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness, big up on yourself. Welcome to Lion Food TV, and you are the man of peace. I may always accept the violence of the streets, living love and unity. You know what I mean? Yes, man, if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. Make sure you hit the notification bell and select all so you get the alert when time I put up a content. Yes, what I say? Yes, man, and your support is highly appreciated. Is it? Yeah. So in this episode we have Spice. I reveal this Romeich. She did a call him mash mouth. Boy, and mouth and name Romeich get. We see all the therapy I call him rubbish. Yes, yes, so Spice I reveal this Romeich did a fight her too, and you know what I mean? She did attack when she said mash mouth. I know me, I mind my business. In this way, a lady saw she attack, you see me, but she really said I'm Romeich she attack, she was talking. You also have one of Spice besties, a male, only Reidy. Rush out and rush Vegas, you know what I mean? In Spice defense. I say, yeah, him have selective outrage because, you know what I mean? Almost certain people him attack and try to go up against and this and that, double standard. But I'm going to hear what I say, you see me? Big up Mr. Vegas, see me. You don't know, freedom of speech, you're entitled to share your opinion, but, you know, they want to beat Vegas. Anyway, before we kick off the show, I'm going to please go check out the song, yeah. Nah, stop, try. CD banging, put it on the mix. I'm going to say big up CD banging. Yeah, man.
Me no care how long the journey take, how much setback me get. Me nah stop trying. Why should I? Yeah, man, one day I must get the help. My mother the real way.
Yo, CD banging.
Me nah stop trying until me get that flying.
Yes, man, if you have ambitions and aims where you want to fulfill your dreams, go and check out the song Now Stop Try. Very inspiring and motivating, is it? Big up CD banging. I'm forever grateful.
Mash mouth did I pay people to play my song. Only have a couple platinum plaque.
Right now me glad me a mind my business. Pull up! Romeich, you me did a call mash mouth. Romeich, you me did attack.
Them fight me so hard, must it show me black. The 10-year contract make me shame the attack. Mash mouth did I pay people to play my song. Now me have a couple platinum plaque.
Hey, Spice no easy, you know. Spice I call him and mash mouth. Hey, if the name they have a stick.
Right now me glad me a mind my business. Me no business.
But my business about Maya. You me did a call mash mouth. Leg on my blouse and stop hold me down. Stop it. Stop it. You have a son and me have a son too. Stop it. And you me did a call mash mouth.
It's with the body business.
You me did a call mash mouth. Well, I didn't know.
And all this time, I am here thinking a lady saw she was talking. It was Romeich.
Long time you do this to people. Hide your hands. You have to stop it. You have to stop it. God have bless you so much. Make everybody else live and prosper. You have to stop it.
Yeah, man, yeah, me nah put my mouth going and talk. Romeich, I one of the gatekeeper them for real. Syndicate, yeah, man. Romeich, I one of the gatekeeper them. Anybody who see the money and them big in the business and them manage ego and them thing there, them a gatekeeper.
Nah stop trying. She want peace satisfying. Me nah stop trying. Like love, like I. Me nah stop trying until the day I die.
Hey Gracie, me really run out for you a minute then, no? Yeah, man. Let me talk about one here, Gracie. I'll talk about one here. Vegas, you oftentimes speaks of selective outrage. A few weeks ago, you came on my platform when we were talking about the CMR situation. And you came on defending CMR and how people on the platform has selective outrage because a lot of them envy and covet Chrissy and want what they have. And in the same breath of you talking about selective outrage, you had a shot at Bounty Killer, and I think the person is Mr. Nice Guy or something like that. Isn't that selective outrage? Why is it that you are accusing people of having selective outrage when you are the person with the selective outrage? Anyway, fast forward, Grace. See me run out here now. Now we're dealing with the TJ and Maya situation. Spice came out and speak about it and spoke of her encounter because she's a victim also of Romeich. Now you didn't come out and speak about the victims again, you know. You came out attacking Spice. There we go again with the selective outrage. The outrage you have, isn't that Romeich order a police officer to go and beat up TJ and in the event beat up his girlfriend? You are more concerned about what Spice said about what he did to her. Selective outrage. Now realize they have a problem with Spice because Spice was on the platform just a while ago over there saying that you have a problem, you don't like her. Brother, check yourself, man. You are the person with the selective outrage. You have that selective outrage problem. Vegas, check yourself. The last time I checked, no politics here, though. And if you can come out and on behalf of the victims, which is Maya and TJ, and speak. Because if you say, you know hear Wagwan, you're a liar. Because it's all over social media. Everywhere you turn. Is the video of Romeich putting out an order that TJ should get boxed down. And he was attacked by 3 men, kicking his head, his face, punch, box. And you had nothing to say about that. And in the event that they put an attack on TJ, automatically it's an attack on Maya. So Maya go out and defend her boyfriend and them box her down, and you know, see none of that. In our Spice say, only thing you do is have that selective outrage mindset that comes to attack Spice. Remember, she's a victim of Romeich and she spoke about it. But again, you are a person that loves to protect the predator and the accuser. And the victims, you don't care about the victims. You never care about the victims. You always talk about due process. And then when we find out you and the same predator or accuser have phone conversation together. But I know Spice staying in the box so long and entertain you selective outrage. I don't know how Spice staying in the box so long and not deal with you. You have a selective outrage problem and you need to go fix yourself. Because what I realize is that you have trauma. And you have to go get some healing. You have trauma. Based on what Bounty Killer do you, based on what Mr. Nice Guy do you, based on the problem we have with Spice, based on all these problems we realize they have trauma. Vegas, go get help. Go get help. And find your place. Because we don't know where your place is. One time you're entertainer, then you're advocate for JLP, then you're advocate for politics, then you do all of these things. Yo, what is your calling, man? Don't make your calling pass you by, man. Get some help. And get rid of your selective outrage. Yeah, man. Read it out. Until the next episode.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, I let you know if you stay to the end. Thank you for your support. Now like and share the content. So I say, let me know what you think in the comment section. If you agree with the way Mr. Reidy I say, relating to Mr. Vegas with him selective outrage. Is it? Yeah, big up on yourself and don't forget to check out the song Non Stop Try. I'm going to leave the link in the comment section. See you? Blessed.
To get rich, me want get the opportunity. Want help my families and community. Throughout my life, my career was under scrutiny, but still me hold my composure, show unity. On the stage, fake friends that send boo to me. Some so-called relatives never true to me. Some say me nah bust, some say them nah rescue me. But I God control me destiny.
Pain inside, be a dark clouds, me say a rain inside. Banging, cut and clear them ties. No emotions, me make me tears them slide. Yeah, yeah.